slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing.
Hi D, salamat sa inyong mga support sa amin sa school at Happy Father's Day. Enjoy day po. Hi D, Happy Father's Day po. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga niyo sa amin kahit makulit kami at nag-aaway. And thank you po sa pagpapaaral niyo sa amin. At ayun lang po. Happy Father's Day ulit.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo po sa amin. Sa pagtrabaho kahit alam ng masakit na yung katawan. Wish ko lang sana sa'yo na na sana maging healthy ka pa, tapos huwag ka nang makulit, matulog ka. Yun lang. Enjoy your day.
Hi there! Happy Father's Day! Thank you so much po sa mga sacrifices and pag-support niyo sa amin. Sana magkaroon pa kayo ng buhay kasi hindi namin kahit malaki yun lang.
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day! Father's Day D!
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, D!
The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time.